When my dad passed away of cancer in 2018, I kind of just lost motivation to work on this. It's just that every time I looked at it, it just reminded me of the fact that he was gone. Since then, it's just been sitting here, and you know, I open it up and there's just dust everywhere, and that's all it's been doing is collecting dust. I had a lot more anticipated for it. When I first started working on this, I was, 14, 15, and I learned. This is what basically inspired me to start working on cars to begin with, This is what started this drive of mine to just build cars and work on cars. It makes me sad because I look at this truck and I sit in it and I remember every single bolt I've turned on this vehicle, every dream I had, every vision, every idea. There was just a lot planned for this, and my kids are 7 and 4 years old now, and I don't think I've worked on it in several years, so I think it's about that time to start on it. I think it's about time that we turn this thing into what I always dreamed it would be, and that is the baddest truck in the country, even the world. The goal for this truck is something that I can't even describe with words. It's just gonna be an all-out, no-holds-barred, badass truck. It's been in my family since, God, it was bought new in 1955, I assume, and passed down to generation, and it's time that I do what's right and pay homage to my dad and my entire family. Not only that, but represent my state where I'm from, New Mexico. This truck's gonna win competitions, it's gonna win trophies, it's gonna win everything. It's gonna win the hearts of people. That's my goal, is turn what to some just looks like a bucket of rust and metal and make it something that people will know from here on out. This is legacy. This is my legacy. This is my dad's legacy, my grandpa's legacy, my kids' legacy. This truck is me. This truck is everything I basically strive for. So I'm gonna be spending a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of dedication into this thing, and hopefully turn it into something that I can be proud of, that you all could be proud of, because when I started working on this, I didn't have you guys, and now I do. And we're gonna build this together. I'm gonna show you guys every single thing on this truck there is to see. I mean, like I said, I was young, making dumb mistakes, barely knew how to weld when I made this, and it's time to fix all those mistakes I made when I was young, and it's time to give this truck the dedication and attention it deserves. I'm talking completely taking it apart, powder coating the frame, doing all the body panels, doing everything I can to make this thing absolutely perfect, so that way it will be able to go to events like LS Fest and all those events. I want to be able to drift this truck. I want to be able to drag race this truck, autocross it. I want to be able to do everything I can possibly do with this truck. So subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see that. Leave me a comment if you guys are interested. Let me know what ideas you guys have for this. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be the biggest challenge of my life, but also probably the most fulfilling challenge of my life. I want to do this to honor my family, honor hot rodding in general, which is something that is becoming kind of this lost art form. I want to raise money for cancer research and stuff like that with this truck. So it's time to begin this chapter, and it's time to see it through all the way. And if you guys are down, you can come along for the ride. My name is Jovani Dante Griego. This is Legacy, and this is my channel.